Proprietary Multivesicular Liposome Technology, or pMVL, is an advanced drug delivery platform that encapsulates active agents without altering their molecular structure, and then consistently releases the encapsulated drug over a desired period of time. pMVL can encapsulate an array of therapeutic agents across the molecular weight and structural spectrum and provides the potential to treat a wide variety of conditions. The proprietary multivesicular liposomes encapsulate the active agent and are composed of naturally occurring lipids, which have been shown to be biocompatible and safe. pMVL suspensions are provided ready to use. They require no reconstitution or dilution, although they may be diluted if desired at the discretion of the clinician. pMVL suspensions can accommodate the addition of an active agent external to the liposomes, with the potential to provide an immediate therapeutic effect. Given the low viscosity of the pMVL suspensions, they can be administered using small-gauge needles. In vivo studies have shown that pMVL suspensions can be administered by virtually any route, including subcutaneous, intramuscular, intraperitoneal, intrathecal, epidural, and ocular. Following administration, the proprietary multivesicular liposomes release the drug consistently and slowly at the site of administration, so optimal local concentrations can be achieved with minimal systemic exposure. This differential in drug exposure between the target tissue and the systemic circulation results in a large therapeutic window. Flexible, sustained-release technology that can encapsulate an array of therapeutics to treat innumerable conditions. Innovative, customizable, long-acting. The possibility of proprietary multivesicular liposome pMVL technology. Yours to imagine. Indication. Exparel is indicated to produce post-surgical local analgesia via infiltration in patients aged 6 years and older, and regional analgesia in adults via an interscalene brachial plexus nerve block, sciatic nerve block in the popliteal fossa, and an adductor canal block. Safety and efficacy have not been established in other nerve blocks. Important safety information. Exparel is contraindicated in obstetrical paracervical block anesthesia. Adverse reactions reported in adults with an incidence greater than or equal to 10% following Exparel administration via infiltration were nausea, constipation, and vomiting. Adverse reactions reported in adults with an incidence greater than or equal to 10% following Exparel administration via nerve block were nausea, pyrexia, headache, and constipation. Adverse reactions with an incidence greater than or equal to 10% following Exparel administration via infiltration in pediatric patients 6 to less than 17 years of age were nausea, vomiting, constipation, hypotension, anemia, muscle twitching, vision blurred, pruritus, and tachycardia. Do not admix lidocaine or other non-bupivacaine local anesthetics with Exparel. Exparel may be administered at least 20 minutes or more following local administration of lidocaine. Exparel is not recommended to be used in the following patient populations: patients less than 6 years old for infiltration, patients younger than 18 years old for nerve blocks, and/or pregnant patients. Because amide-type local anesthetics such as bupivacaine are metabolized by the liver, Exparel should be used cautiously in patients with hepatic disease. Warnings and precautions specific to Exparel. Avoid additional use of local anesthetics within 96 hours following administration of Exparel. Exparel is not recommended for the following types or routes of administration: epidural, intrathecal, regional nerve blocks other than interscalene brachial plexus nerve block, sciatic nerve block in the popliteal fossa, and an adductor canal block, or intravascular or intraarticular use. The potential sensory and/or motor loss with Exparel is temporary and varies in degree and duration depending on the site of injection and dosage administered and may last for up to 5 days as seen in clinical trials. Warnings and precautions for bupivacaine-containing products. Central nervous system, CNS reactions. There have been reports of adverse neurologic reactions with the use of local anesthetics. These include persistent anesthesia and paresthesia. CNS reactions are characterized by excitation and/or depression. Cardiovascular system reactions. Toxic blood concentrations depress cardiac conductivity and excitability, which may lead to dysrhythmias, sometimes leading to death. Allergic reactions. Allergic-type reactions, for example anaphylaxis and angioedema, are rare and may occur as a result of hypersensitivity to the local anesthetic or to other formulation ingredients. Chondrolysis. There have been reports of chondrolysis, mostly in the shoulder joint, following intraarticular infusion of local anesthetics, which is an unapproved use. Methemoglobinemia. Cases of methemoglobinemia have been reported with local anesthetic use. Full prescribing information is available at exparelpro.com. For more information, please visit exparelpro.com or call 1-855-793-9727.